Good morning, children. So we are in exercise 3.6 and we are in the topic multiplication by 3-digit numbers. So yesterday we solved 3 questions of this exercise A, B and C. Now today we will be solving next 3 questions D, E and F. Now let's solve the first one D. Starting with 6. 6 will multiply all the 4 digits 7, 9, 2 and 1. Then 9 will multiply 7, 9, 2 and 1. And then 3 will multiply 7, 9, 2 and 1. So starting with 6. 6 sevens are 42. So 2 we will write here and 4 will go as a carry. 6 nines are 54 and 54 plus 4. We have to add carry also. 6 nines are 54. First we have to multiply these two numbers and then we have to add the product. 6 nines are 54. Then 54 plus 4. 54 plus 4, 58. So 8 will be here and 5 will go as a carry. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5, that is 17. So 7 will come here and 1 will go as a carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Now we have to put the sign of multiplication first. Then we have to proceed with the next digit. 9, and before that we have to rub the carries for the second number. 9 sevens are 63. So 3 here and 6 will go as a carry. 9 nines are 81. And 81 plus 6, 87. So 7 here and 8 will go as a carry. 9 twos are 18 and 18 plus 8, 26. So 6 here and 2 will go as a carry. So 9 ones are 9 and plus 2, 11. So 1 here and again 1 here. We have to write them separately. Now we have to put 2 signs of multiplication. Then we have to start with the third digit. 3 sevens are 21. 1 here and 2 will go as a carry. And we have to cut these carries or rub these carries. Now 3 sevens are 21, 2 as carry, 3 nines are 27 plus 2, 29. 9 here and 2 will go as carry. 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 3 ones are 3. Now we have to add all these numbers. 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 here and 1 will go as a carry. 7 plus 7, 1 and 1. 7 plus 7, 14, 15 and 16. 6 here and 1 will go as a carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 6 plus 9, 23. So 3 here and 2 will go as a carry. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 here. 3, 4 and 5. So 5, 1, 3, 6, 1, 2 is the answer for when we multiply 1, 2, 9, 7 with 3, 9, 6. Now E. We have to multiply 4, 8, 2, 9 with 175. So we will start with 5. 5 nines are 45. We have to write 5 here and 4 will go as a carry. 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14. So 4 here and 1 will go as the carry. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So 1 here and 4 as a carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. So 4 here and 2 we have to write separately. Now we have to put the sign of multiplication first, then we have to proceed with the second digit 7. So 7 9s are 63. So 3 here and 6 will go as the carry and we have to rub or cut the previous carries. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 20. So 0 here and 2 will go as carry. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. So 8 here and 5 as carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5, 33. So 3 here and 3 separately. Now again put two signs of multiplication and then we have to start with 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 2s are 2. 1 8s are 8 and 1 4s are 4. Now we have to add. The answer is 845075. When we add these three numbers, we get the answer 845075. Now F. 9 8s are 72. 2 here and 7 will go as carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 7. 16. So 6 here and 1 will go as carry. 9 4s are 36 plus 1 37. 7 here and 3 will go as carry. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3 30. 0 here and 3 we have to write separately. Now put the sign of multiplication. Then we have to go to 2. 2 8s are 16. 6 here and cut the previous carries and write 1. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so carry will be to the next number. We are adding these two numbers 2 and 8. So carry will go to the numbers next to this number. 2 8s are 16, 6 here and 1 will go as carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Now again put two signs of multiplication, then 2. 2 8s are 16. Again 1 will come as a carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now add all these three numbers. When we add these three numbers, we get the answer 782722. So in this way, you have to multiply 3-digit numbers. I hope you must have understood. You have to do D, E, F in your copy. And exercise 3.6 from A to F you have to do in copy. This is your today's homework.